Africa. This is Zara Tanzania Adventure, and today we have a great news to let you know that Twenzetu Kileleni Season 5 is happening soon. This December 2025, we're going to climb Mount Kilimanjaro via the Marangu route, whereby we invite all East Africans to join us Tanzania as we climb to celebrate our independence. The arrival will be on the 4th of December here at Springlands Hotel, where you're going to get your briefing, you're going to get your climbing gears, to meet your team, to meet people from all over East Africa who are going to climb together on this trek. Then on the 5th of December, we're going to start the trek via the Marangu route. This trek is going to be amazing with an amazing team of guides, porters from Zara Tanzania Adventure. On the 9th of December, we're going to be on the top of Kilimanjaro, where we're going to put the Tanzanian flag on top of Kilimanjaro. You can also bring your flag. You can bring a flag for your company, for your country, and join us as we celebrate this important day as Tanzanians. On the 10th of December, we're going to come back here at Springlands Hotel, where we're going to have a party. There's going to be certificate giving, there's going to be medal giving for all people who have succeeded to climb Mount Kilimanjaro and reach to the top. So we want to welcome you all to join us. The price is going to be $660 for all East Africans. $660 only. This includes 2 nights accommodation, 1 night before the climb, 1 night after, all the meals during the climb, some of the climbing gears, and the vibe from Zara Tanzania Adventures. Welcome all. Join us for the Twenzetu Kileleni Season 5.